Lesson 1. Basic Entomology and Metamorphosis. Let's start with basic entomology for structural pest control. The first step is telling an insect apart from an arachnid. An adult insect has exactly 6 legs and 3 main body regions: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The legs and wings are always attached to the thorax. In contrast, arachnids, which include spiders, ticks, and mites, have 8 legs as adults, no antennae, and just 2 body regions because their head and thorax are fused. Knowing this helps you instantly categorize a pest. Another vital identification skill is distinguishing a winged ant from a swarming termite. Ants have elbowed or bent antennae, a narrow or pinched waist, and front wings that are noticeably longer than their hind wings. Termites, however, have straight, bead-like antennae, a broad waist with no constriction, and 2 pairs of wings that are equal in length. Understanding how insects develop is just as important. Cockroaches, true bugs, and grasshoppers go through gradual or incomplete metamorphosis. This means they develop in 3 stages: egg, nymph, and adult. The nymphs look like small, wingless versions of the adults, and there is no pupal stage. Other pests go through complete metamorphosis, which involves an egg, larval, pupal, and adult stage. Because larvae and adults often look completely different and live in different habitats, finding adults during an inspection does not mean you have found every development site. You must target protected eggs, larval food sources, and pupation sites to truly control the population.